gentlemen, children, kids, grandfathers, grandmothers, and whoever is there. How are you? I hope you're good. This is another opportunity to interact with Patrick Egon. And as always, the channel is Thorough Teach Patrick Egon. And do you know what I'm holding here? Before we talk about, this is Musik. That's interesting. We have a client today who has actually been feeding us Musik. We tried Musik. We have tea. Actually, you're confused. To the client, thank you so much. For the Kalenjin, that is our signature, Musik. So why am I here today? I promised you in my previous video that we are going to see what that portable solar generator of 1,000 watts can actually do. And we have implemented this and I want to show you guys. But before we do that, in case you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly join our community, click that like button, drop that comment and subscribe. Karibuni, and let's take a tour of what our system is doing. And in case you want a cup of Musik, you are welcome. So, cameraman can actually come in and show us what is here. Basically, you can see this is just a snapshot of our system. This is our portable battery, and you can see we have already overloaded it, but that's fine. So, this is 1,000 watts. We have different varieties. We have 500, 1,000, 1.1500. This is watts. So actually, this, when you convert it to kVA, it takes you to 1.25 kVA. And as you can see, I'm actually, while doing the installation, while following up on what is happening in the country. We have lost a very great leader, that is the former, or the Prime Minister, Mr. Raila. Good. You can see, this is the extra provision for the lighting. So it works very well. See that? We have two lines for our lighting. So all the lighting which I'll show you is actually powered from DC line. So this has two outputs. We have the DC output 1, DC output 2. So to conserve energy, we decided to do the output 1 to take care of the lights. Then we reserve this extra to ensure that it can actually be able to carry out the other loads when they want. And as we had shared initially, this is a temporary system, meaning the client can decide to move this from this place to another place. I shared that it can be powered by solar. So what we have done today, we have terminated it by solar because this will be more permanent. But whenever it needs, or they need to do a charging by KPLC or any utility supplier, they can actually take it off and take it out. It's light in weight, and it works very well. So let's take a tour of the different kinds of loads we have done today. Let's take a tour of what is happening, and we have our technician. How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Uko salama kabisa?
Uko salama.
I know it has been a very big day. Hasa sasa tuone kazi yako. So we have a street light, chase light. Yeah. So you can do an off, we see. So this is for our first load. Do it at on. Yes, you can see that works well. So you can change your lighting. So this one is just a temporary decoration for the house, but it works well. You can switch it off. Good. So how do you feel? How is your judgment about the battery you have installed today? You are happy about it?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Kazi iko safi, eh?
Yeah, iko mzuri kabisa. The battery is strong.
Na
tuko tumecharge leo. Lakini imekuwa ikifanya kazi asubuhi.
Good. Laptop.
Laptop, everything.
Music. Na unapenda ngoma sana bwana.
Sana bwana.
Okay, sasa. So let's see what other items you have done today. What are you seeing there? That's an amazing, I'll not tell you the exact type of inches, but it's something big. The client you have likes good things, and who doesn't like good things anyway? So that is another load we have taken care of today. They've been watching something amazing. That is a good TV. Then we have our lighting here, and we have several of them, about 15 bulbs, but these are DC powered. So let me show you how it works outside there. So this is what is happening outside. This is security light. It's just powered still from the same source, and you can see it's lighting all the way. It's lighting all the way, and we have some good output there, you can see. Let me show you something else. Good. So that is how we are transforming this place. Very easy implementable solutions, which actually saves a lot of trouble. So let's meet our technician today, another one. I'll show you his face. He's not shy, but he's electrically good. Let me talk to him. Bwana Pius, mambo vipi?
Poa sana.
You're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
It's been a good day, yeah?
It's been a good day. It's been a long day. Tumechoka sana.
But how is the client feeling?
Client amefurahi sana. Hii battery aliletewa. Battery mzuri.
Perfect.
Na amefurahi sana. Sasa at least watoto wanaweza watch. Akona light, security. So I'm very happy.
Let me ask you, comparing this system with what we have been installing na hizo zingine, did you find this one easy and simple ama complex?
This one, I can say it is portable. Anaweza chukua, anaweza enda na nje akiwa na shughuli yenye anaweza fanya lightings nini, anaweza beba. And the other thing is this battery inachukua load mingi. Alafu yani kwa moto iko na moto kubwa. Yeah.
Good. Thank you so much, Pius. Sasa it's been amazing having you today to work on this project. Najua hakuna kitu mzuri kama when a client becomes successful. So you can see those are 2 lights, and today we didn't actually charge, sindio?
Yeah.
Good. So what is your advice to any technician kule nje?
My advice to any technicians ni kujikaza tu. Ukipata kazi upige kazi kama sisi wenye tumepiga leo. Saa hii ni inaelekea saa 2 hivi na kitu na tulifanya kazi kabisa.
Good.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Pius, for your time.
Thank you.
In case tutakuwa tunakuhitaji for the next project, I'll tell you. I know these guys will be bringing some job. So it has been Taraitich Patrick Kigon. The channel is Taraitich Patrick Kigon, and what we are bringing you is what we do at iSahara Electrical and Innovation Hub Ltd. And obviously I want you to know our Mursik test. You can always call us for your job, and because if you don't have Mursik, we will bring it back. So it's been amazing having you guys. Until next time, take care of yourself, and remember to subscribe and join our community in case you are missing out. Thank you so much.